So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Chemistry exam revision series, we have just this one question to answer on the topic chemical combination. So here guys, on this video, we'll focus on the laws of conservation of matter. So let's go ahead and start with this question. The question here says, which of the law states that matter is neither created nor destroyed during chemical reaction, but changes from one form to another? A. Law of definite proportion. B. Law of conservation of mass. C. Law of reciprocal proportion. D. Law of multiple proportion. So guys, the answer to this question is option B, and that's law of conservation of mass. So the law of conservation of mass states that matter is neither created nor destroyed during a chemical reaction, but can change from one form to another. So guys, that's the answer to this question, and that's option B. So guys, this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also guys, you can help us by sharing this video with your friends in order to enable us reach out to more persons out there. We also want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel membership in order for you to gain access to our premium information on JAMB updates that will help you a lot as you prepare for your JAMB. So guys, we strongly encourage you to be a part of this community, and definitely you will enjoy it. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next time.